Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Diecast Chronicles, and in today's video I want to show you the Matchbox haul that I have from this year. Before I show to you in much detail, I would urge you to please like, comment and subscribe. Do check out my other videos, and without wasting time, let me show you this year's haul. And I have a solid haul which I want to share it with you guys. So at first I'm showing you the Jurassic World Rebirth set we got in India. Humvee is my most favorite, and then we got the Ford Explorer, then we had this rescue helicopter, and my most favorite again is the gyro ball. So if you know what it is, do let me know in the comments which one is your favorite from the Jurassic World Rebirth set. Then we got the off-road engine vehicle. Then moving on, we got another most favorite for me is the Mercedes-Benz G-Class. I like the white color and it is quite plain. It is so cool. Then we got this Jeep Wrangler, and another favorite for me is the 19 Jeep Gladiator. Then we got the Jeep Wrangler. So there were 9 cars from the Jurassic World Rebirth set, and I have shown it to you. Then moving on to the main lines, we were actually lucky enough that we got the main lines in India. So starting with the Subaru WRX, the color is very nice. I love blue colors. And then moving on, we got the Fiat 500X. And notice the card art. The card arts are different for different vehicles. It resembles different things. So if you know what it is, do let me know in the comments. Then we got the Dodge Durango, another very popular car and a bulky car. Then we got this cool car, which is the 1994 Mitsubishi 3000 GT. That is quite plain, and that white color, and especially the wheels, it is so cool, guys. And moving on, we got this 1963 Chevy Corvette. I got this for the color combination. Then my most favorite of all time, that is the Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet. It is so cool, and in hand it looks fantastic. Do let me know in comments if you have it. Moving on, we got this beautiful sedan car, a must-have for sedan lovers. That is the 2016 Nissan Sentra. It is plain black color, matches the Matchbox City concept very well. Then moving on, we got this another bulky car, that is the 1966 Land Rover Gen 2. So I'm not a very big fan of this livery, but I got it for the car and for the history. Moving on, we got this one, that is a 2023 Ford Transit Custom. I have few Ford Transit in Hotwheels, and I didn't have this particular model, so that is the reason I added it. And then moving on, we got this Fiat Topolino. So do let me know in comments if you actually picked it up, and if not, let me know why you didn't pick it up. Then we got the MBX load lifter. Many of them didn't take it because they feel that it is a fantasy, but guys, Matchbox makes cars which is like realistic. And then we got this express delivery. I would like to call it the UPS van, and it is again a very nice casting, and actually people are picking it up, and I was very happy that people actually bought it. The next one, I would want to show you 2 cars. So you may be wondering why I have 2 cars here. So it is on the left and on the right, it is the Alfa Romeo. But notice that one is right and one is not. So that means it is an error. The one on the left is actually the error, because the car should be facing the other way. So look at this. So this is the error, and this is how like it is actually is. So when you compare it with the other Matchbox cars, everything is facing towards the left, but the error one is facing towards the right. So this was a very different thing, and that is the reason I have 2 Alfa Romeos in my collection. And moving on, we got the Lexus LS 400. Again, a very nice car, and many of them did pick it up. A very cool car, I would say. Let's go on to the next one. That is the 1964 Lincoln Continental. So this is how it is, the white color. It is plain, but a must have, I would say. Then let's move on to this. This is the 2023 Chevy Corvette. Look how cool it is. The black color and the red wheels, the rims, it is so nice. And I was very happy that I could add it in my collection. Then we got this another classic car, that is the 1986 Volvo 240. A very nice car, I would say. Then I have shown you this Alfa Romeo. Then moving on, we had this car, that is the 2025 Polaris. Many of them again are not picking it up, but like you can have it in your collection. There is no harm in that. Let's move on to the next one. The next one is the 1940 Dodge V Series truck, a very nice pickup truck, I would say. Moving on, we got this Scania fire truck. Many of them actually left it thinking that it is fantasy, but guys, it is Scania truck, and how can it be fantasy? And even if it is fantasy, do pick them up if you like it. And moving on, we got this 1970 Ford Bronco. Then we had the Nissan Ariya pole to pole, another most desired casting for me this year. It is so nice. I like the color combination. Let's move on to the next one, that is the 2023 Toyota GR Supra. This is the first ever Matchbox car that I got in my collection this year. I actually couldn't find any other cars in the stores and I was actually very sad, but luckily I could find this hiding in a corner. So this is the first Matchbox car in my collection this year. Moving on, I have this Porsche 918 Spider, a very hard car to find, I would say. I have like gone to different stores in search of this, but I was not lucky enough. But guys, patience really pays off, and finally I have it. Moving on, we have the Range Rover, another most desired casting for me this year. Not because it is hyped or anything, because I wanted it from a very long time, and I didn't have any Range Rovers in my collection before this. Let's move on. This is the 1995 BMW 318 Ti, another very nice BMW, I would say. The only thing in Matchbox is that many of the wheels, like it is almost so identical. I think Matchbox should start doing something so it'll look nice on all the cars. And moving on, we have this 1964 Jeep Wagoneer, a nice one, I would say. And then the new Jeep Wagoneer is the 2022 Jeep Wagoneer. So that was the 1964 model, and then look at the 2022 model. Like look at the evolution. You should have the cars for the history, not just because of the hype or anything. So history really matters. If you know the histories, you will actually enjoy collection. Then moving on, we got this ground grinder. Then we have this Chevy Silverado. I have a couple of Silverados in Hot Wheels and other brands, but I like the color, so that is the reason I bought it. Then we got the 2023 BMW i4 Police Sedan, a very nice car again. Then the 2022 Ford F150 Lightning. Then we had this Ford Mustang Fastback, another very cool car, I would say, in my collection, and I'm actually very happy that I added this. Moving on, we have this BMW 1M, a very very cool car, the most detailed Matchbox this year. This is the Harry Potter car. Again, a very hard car to find this year because everyone are just behind this, and luckily I could actually find it. It took a lot of time, but I finally found it. Then we have the Audi e-tron. Then I got a 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E. Then a 2023 Jeep Avenger. And finally in Matchbox Mainline, I have this Blaze Buster, a very cool one again. Let's move on to the Matchbox moving parts. So this year I got a couple of cool Matchbox moving parts, and like after many years it finally came in India. So I started with let's start with the Ford Country Sedan, then the 1994 Ford F150 SVT Lightning, Mitsubishi Lancer, then the Toyota TRD Pro, 1963 Ford Thunderbird, 2024 Ford Excursion, 2018 Ford Focus RS, and the most favorite for me is the Lamborghini Huracan. Then I got the Volkswagen ID Buzz, which many of them didn't pick it up. Then we got this Rover, and another favorite for me is the Maserati. Then we got the Cybertruck. Though I don't like Cybertrucks, I got it because it has an openable part. Then finally we have the 2025 Cadillac. So guys, this was my haul from this year. So do let me know in comments which one is your favorite, which one are you missing, and which one like you didn't want to add it in your collection. So likes and dislikes may vary. Do let me know in comments which one is your favorite. So upcoming next video is about Hot Wheels haul. So please stay tuned. Like, comment and subscribe. Do check out my other videos. See you guys in my next video.